Larga! We've got a speed scramble at the start of the race. Rushing up to grab the early lead is Pag-Ukol Bubukol. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Pag-Ukol Bubukol, the early leader by Waralenka. Right behind in second is a Golden Empire. Moving up also around the outside is a Top Secret. Top Secret now the leader, Golden Empire. Dinalupihan also in there. Then comes Pag-Ukol Bubukol. And in fifth comes Strength of Spirit. Then followed over by Security Choice alongside Santa Monica 1 as they pass the last 700. Dinalupihan is racing down on the inside. Moving up around the outside, it's a Top Secret. Then Golden Empire is running in third. Santa Monica 1 now is racing in fourth. Then comes Pag-Ukol Bubukol. Now 2 and 3 are fighting it out for the lead. Dinalupihan, Top Secret, Santa Monica 1 now moving up to take third as they race for the rushing horsepower. Dinalupihan, Top Secret, Santa Monica 1 remains in third, and down the stretch they come. Top Secret, Santa Monica 1, Dinalupihan is down on the inside. Pag-Ukol Bubukol, and it's still Top Secret, followed by Pag-Ukol Bubukol, Santa Monica 1, and finally Top Secret. Second close between three runners, Pag-Ukol Bubukol, Santa Monica 1, and Dinalupihan.